again. The fellow called Hai, a French-Vietnamese fellow in what was then Culver City Auto Trim, did all the interior work here for me, and he also, I asked him to make a tonneau cover. So this he made by hand as well. So it goes all the way through, covers up here as well. All the way up to the front here, he installed these as well. And you could actually, in Germany back in the 60s, you could order that from the factory and they would do it for you there. But the American models didn't have this. This was never an option on the American model. So it just goes on there. And he put these up here, so we had to work out a way to do it. And he put these in very cleverly. Put the fasteners up here, see. So these go right, it's stuck back here. But these just pop on right here, see. You can get it in there. It usually goes much easier than this, but anyway, of course, when I'm on film, it's not working right.
But that certainly protects the interior. So
yeah, it's amazing because if you're under a tree or something, or you just don't feel like putting the top up, or near sprinklers, I've learned the hard way.
Yeah.
Just do that, and there you go. So that's on there.